From an ocean, itself evolved from the stars, the crossover polarity dynamic of the double helix emerges, two currents of energy simultaneously processing information in opposite directions. Two strands of information, the one containing the template of the other, a mere microscopic fragment, yet encompassing the pattern of the whole process of growth, evolution, and universal order itself. Alive, therefore pulsing, a rhythmic counterpoint of negative-positive, positive-negative pulsations. Everything pulsing, sexual, dynamic, throbbing, full.